Hello guys, I am Mike with Views in our San Jose office, and we're extremely busy with all the work that's been happening lately. We do lots of installations and lots of projects. They range from the ductless systems, very efficient Mitsubishi heat pumps. We do all kinds of projects, commercial and residential. As you can see, our office is like a training center. We also test all the equipment with like all the latest technology. We do everything. As you can see, heat pumps. We also have furnaces here, all the ductwork, all kinds of thermostats, air quality equipment, water heaters right here, which is a heat pump water heater. This is a new thing that's been come out lately, extremely popular. Lots of rebates for this, tankless water heaters, and so on. As you know, what's been happening lately, we're expanding the Inflation Reduction Act in 2023, and in that case all the prices on the equipment are going up, and we don't see an end in sight. The reason for that is everything would become very popular with a huge demand. So we're trying to stock up our warehouse with lots of equipment before the prices goes up, because what we've been seeing lately is every time there is a price increase every few weeks. So we keep buying this stuff and we store it in our warehouse because the prices go up and up. Besides the HVAC and plumbing, water heaters, we also do solar projects. We have electric license. We do many electric panel installations such as span, EV chargers, all of that. So we're like a full-scale company where we do everything, not just a single project, but we can completely electrify your house. We have a huge warehouse, lots of installation teams, lots of technician teams to make sure everything like a full cycle from A to Z. We can do all sorts of projects for you. So because of this huge price increases, as we see, we have to stock up everywhere, even the outside with equipment. We highly suggest you to try to do the all installation, or at least plan them for the first beginning of the 2023, because this way you will be able to get any federal rebates, whatever gonna come. And we can get the equipment for you today, store it, and later do the installation. Most of the equipment that we install is a high efficient one. It could qualify for many rebates. We work with all the companies like Peninsula Clean Energy, Silicon Valley Clean Energy, BRF, Tech, and many more companies. We do all the permitting, we apply for the rebates. So we'll take care of that because of our incredible permit department that handles all that work. You don't need to do anything. Highly suggest to reach out to us so we can provide you an estimate on whether you want the heat pump water heater, ductless system, AC, furnace, HVAC, ductwork, EV charger installation, solar panels, or anything that you would like us to do. We're always ready for the new projects and always willing to help you and take care of you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.